Branson, of course, got its start as a lake destination, and it's still the same in 2021. And we're, of course, at the premier destination for all things Table Rock Lake, and that is Showboat Branson Belle. And joined with me is a popular face you'll see on the Belle this year and in previous years, Christopher James. Good morning.
Yeah. Hi. I love it. I've been here for almost 16 years now on the Showboat, doing the comedy, the magic, and it's a great experience for everybody that comes out.
Yeah, absolutely. And of course, 2021, as you do with every year, add some new things, some new exciting entertainment. So can you give our audience a tease of what's going to happen?
Well, this year we had a lot of rehearsals because we added in some new segments. We have a lot of new music in the show. We feature a performer. We have a special segment. I don't want to give that away yet. New interactive parts for the audience and virtually an entirely new show.
Awesome, awesome. Well, let's bring in here Captain James as well, our senior captain with Showboat Branson Belle. And, you know, it may seem pretty self-explanatory, but let's just kind of walk through, if somebody's never been here before, what they can experience when coming on property.
Yeah, when they come here, they get to enjoy our beautiful shops up here on the landing. And then you come on board, and we give you a great big welcome on board. I come out, meet the audience. Our boat leaves the dock at that time, thanks to Captain James and our marine crew there. And they regulate this boat and keep it nice and clean, as you can see here. And it's a great cruise for everyone as well. And then we have our pre-show, our dinner. We give you about 45 minutes to go out, walk around, maybe even chat with the captain here up there in the pilot house. And then the show begins after the little cruise time there. And it is about an hour of craziness. We have the music, the dancing, it's non-stop. And I'll tell you, our entertainers are exhausted by the end of this.
I bet they are. And sometimes you run 2 shows a day, is that right?
Oh, sometimes we run 3 shows.
Well, there you go.
I think on Saturdays this year we have 3 shows almost every Saturday.
Which is great for the public. Many times to join. It fits into basically any schedule. So let's talk about tickets. What's the best way for people to get those?
Well, our shows run 12, 4 o'clock, and 8 o'clock. Okay. And you'll want to check the website, showboatbransonbelle.com. You can Google it, all of that, to get all the information and call. Come out and see us, meet the captain, say hi to us out there in the lobby after the show.
Awesome. Christopher, Captain James, thank you both so much. Make sure you visit Showboat Branson Belle on your next Branson vacation.